Hi guys, welcome to part 5. Car's in primer and it's been rubbed down. High spot there. Don't know why. I think it's been there from the factory, to be honest. So block sanded. I don't think I'm going to put another layer of primer on like I said I was. I don't think I am. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a thin layer of top coat on and rub that down. Don't want too much primer on, you see, because obviously too much paint, you get reactions, blah blah blah. It's looking good. Front bumper, just painted that in high build. Yeah, I think I'm going to try and get a thin layer on this evening. Thin layer of white paint. Okay guys, managed to get it in paint. It's looking really quite straight, to be honest. Even the lower parts of the doors are looking good. Obviously I'll pull it out in the day tomorrow. I'm going to put it in the shed for now. I'll pull it out in the day tomorrow, see if there's any dents that need attending to. Haven't done the A-pillar. It was just easier to mask that off. It is a mess. I'm going to have to spend quite some time on this. There was scabs all over it. Scab, 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 scab. Yeah, but I'll use the mini gun on that. It does need to be rubbed down, but I'll get it in the daylight tomorrow. Target all the dents with a marker pen, if there is any. Looks good. Okay guys, it's been about 3 weeks. This will have hopefully hardened with the recent weather we've been having. I'm gonna wet and dry the entire car with a 1000 grit. Hopefully again to try and get any imperfections in the bodywork. This is not top coat, guys. This is being used to nab imperfections. Very unorthodox. Not something I'd probably recommend, but this car is literally covered in so many dents and scratches, or was. This is my plan to try and tackle them without getting too much paint on the car, without getting too much primer on the car. I had a couple of hours spare this evening, so I managed to paint the front bumper and get that on the car. It does need lining up on this one side really badly, but I think I'm going to pack it out, see if I can realign the bonnet and maybe pack out the bumper. But the whole car's been rubbed down, 800 and 1000 grit. So it is dull. It's just base layer, really. What I'm going to do next is apply 70/30 high gloss top coat to the whole car. So I'll get the front bumper on, the back bumper on, the side skirts on, the rear spats, and I'll flash over the whole car at the same time. But at this stage, I'm really happy. I definitely don't like the white wheels with the white paint, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do there. I do have a set of Escort Cosworth wheels in the shed. I might put them on, I don't know. I think priority for now is start putting things back on in preparation for the top coat and polish up. But I'm going to leave this part here. So I think this is part 5. And yeah, I'm really happy at this stage. It is straight. I know the light's not great, but anyways, thanks for watching, guys.